Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, or right now, we're going to be talking about Doge cryptocurrency. I'm sure you guys know, you've heard, you've seen Dogecoin has been on a tear. Now everybody's like, man, it's such a joke. Well, if you look at this market cap, it definitely ain't no joke no more. That's real money. I mean, you can see here just the amount of money that's coming into just cryptos right now. Shout out to my boy Tim for the hookup with this dope site. Really like the site. But yeah, guys, so real quick, if you're new to the channel, feel free to stick around. My channel, I like to talk about money, I like to talk about investing, I like to talk about how you can succeed, or you have money or you don't have a lot of money. And today we're talking about Doge to the moon. So it's been absolutely bananas. Like, everybody's been joking about just Dogecoin and how much of a joke it is. I mean, you can see how much it's been up. Literally, like it's crazy, and everybody's been having jokes about it. But you know, it's not no joke when you got your portfolio like mine, which is up like 5,000% as far as my Doge. That's not a joke. That's real money. That's real cash. And so, what you see is just a lot of people are buying in. You've actually had like some companies buy like hundreds of millions of just Doge coins, which is crazy. Like, if I can't find an article, but it's just been crazy. Like, now this article is yesterday. This article is just on yesterday, where it talks about how Dogecoin exceeds its 11 billion market cap as Coinbase launches. Now, Coinbase launching, you know, going public is definitely huge. And it gives a huge boost to the cryptocurrency market. As I stated in the last video, it's by far the #1 play as a stock for the cryptocurrency, because it's like a cryptocurrency brokerage. It's the top one in the US. So if you're interested in stock that play on, you know, cryptocurrency, then Coinbase is an easy one. Anyone that really loves crypto has probably bought some or looking to get into Coinbase. But this was just on yesterday. $11 billion market cap. Well, guys, look at today. Doge is over $33 billion market cap. That's real money. So as much as it seems like a joke, it's very real. Look how far on a chart it is. So let's go from yesterday, where it was 11 billion. It was down here. Now you can see how far it's came up the list, as far as it being just one of the top cryptocurrencies. And like, people keep talking about how much of a joke and, oh, be careful. Like, yeah, definitely you want to be careful. However, with people that have actually put like just 20 bucks into it like 2 years ago or whatever, you know, that's turned into like $1,000 or more. You got people like on Reddit, for example, who are literally just talking about, you know, how they've literally just changed their life from this coin. It's just like we saw with GameStop and AMC, the same thing we see happening here. Now, a good rule of thumb for beginners, let's say you invest $100 and let's say you've now made, you know, $2,000. Well, you can easily take out the $100 or take out $200. So that way, at least you know you've made a profit, or you've taken your investment out of it, and then you can let the rest run or ride, whatever you choose. That's also a good rule of thumb for those that are new, that might be wondering what to do. They've made some money. That's a way that you can kind of play it. You don't have to take everything out, but you can take some out. So now the question becomes, that I've gotten a lot of today, well, should I put some money into Dogecoin? Is it too late? Well, guys, like I said on my last video, you know, that's up to you whether you want to do it or not, but it's definitely something to be learning. And like I've been saying on this channel, whenever I do talk about cryptos, learn about it, because it's there. There's a big transfer of wealth that's happening with cryptos, which I'm going to talk about on my next video. But, you know, it's one of those things where, like, you rather learn about it and not need it than need it and don't know what's going on. And so that's what's kind of happening. You have a lot of people who kind of ignored it, and month after month coming back asking about Bitcoin, asking about Ethereum, asking about what's going on with this XRP? Asking about Dogecoin. Because Dogecoin is so cheap, it appeals to a lot of people. So people are just really dumping and putting a lot of money into it, whether it's the tune of $10, $50, $1,000 to $100,000 to just whatever they can get their hands on to just dump into it, because everybody wants to ride on that train. Like I said, this, as much as people say it's a joke, this is real money, y'all. Like, this is real money, and this is happening right now. Now, for some, it may not be that astronomical, but for others, it's really changing some people's lives right now. Like I'm just talking about, just like on Reddit, for example. Reddit community is crazy. Look, how to buy Dogecoin. But look, hey guys, I just became a Dogecoin millionaire. This is real. This is like somebody really screenshotting their portfolio. Like, this is it's not a game. And so, as we see here, Dogecoin to the moon. But whoops, I see a little cussing on there. We don't want to get that on the channel. But like, basically, like, guys, just remember this. Whatever you're investing, don't be afraid to invest. Whatever it is that you're not afraid to lose. Yes, in cryptos, there are some risks, but just like the saying goes, there's some risk, but there is some reward. So if you're looking to buy into it, hey, feel free, do your own research, but just don't invest what you're not afraid to lose. Because yes, it is going up a lot. It's going up a ton. And I'm looking forward to seeing it going up even more. Like, I would love to see it hit $1 or even $2, which is not unreal. Like, it's not unreal. Some people make it seem like it's unreal just because of the type of coin it is. Let's go back, and I'm gonna show you an example, like, of how unreal it is, or how real it is, excuse me. Let's look at one that I know that was just recently like low, but it's got up there. Okay, let's look at XRP. Now, most people can't even invest in XRP right now, but let's just go and look back within the past year. Within the past year, look at it. It was at 17 cents, 20 cents. Now, during all the drama they had, it still went up. Look at where it is now. It's almost $2. Show you another one, for example. I'm just showing you because sometimes people think that these things don't happen or they can't happen or whatnot. But there's some that I know for a fact that, and if you even know anything about cryptos, then you know that this is very real. I mean, some that just, we're talking about just in the past year was just pennies on a dollar. Right here. Look. Stellar. Look. 6 cents. Now look at it. 60 cents. Most people don't even know what this is. So all I'm saying is, are there possibilities for it to grow and go up? Absolutely. There's many possibilities. And of course, I'm always hoping for that, for it to go up, for it to grow even more. Of course, because I got some. But I'm looking for it to grow even more. And so it is a possibility. But, well, Joe, is it a possibility that it might just tank? Well, yes, it's a possibility it might just tank. Understand that when you see a number like this, if we're just going from here, from yesterday, from 11 billion to here, 33 billion, you got to understand, in this number, somebody is looking to take some profits. Now, how much gets sold, don't know. But somebody's going to take some profits. And if you were to look at the chart now and just see how the volume is, you'll see, there's buys and there's sales. People are taking profits and taking money off the table. Because some people might have been in, like I have, like back in 2019, 2018. And so that means you bought it under a penny. So that means as it goes up, the spread is significant. But absolutely, it could tank. But, that's why I say, hey, invest what you're not afraid to lose. But hey, guys, I just wanted to do this quick video about Doge because it's extremely on fire. And so hopefully it continues on tomorrow. I would love to see it reach $1. I seen someone saying it's going to reach $10. Well, we don't know. But if it does reach $10, hey, I'm not mad at it. But anyways, guys, feel free to stick around, like, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about Dogecoin. Do you got some? You're trying to figure out what to do? Let me know what's up in the comments, and I'll tell you guys in the next video. Peace. Y'all be blessed.